what I'm going to do without making the dressing. And what this has is the mole. It has a tomato, onions, and some chile. Everybody makes the mole different, but I'm using la costeña. That's what it looks like from the inside. So that mole, it's basically this right here. You see? This is the mole right here, the dressing. And that's what makes the water so brown. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and use a blender to blend the ingredients for the dressing. Right here, the ingredients, and this is the cup where I'm gonna blend it. This goes right on the cup to blend it. So just bear with me. Get it all in there. Is what it looks like. All the ingredients, as including the mole. I also added adobo. This is the mole right here. I added a tomato, some chile. I added onions, and I also added a cube. I also added one of these cubes, and it's supposed to be red. It's supposed to be this color, red. So you add all that, and then I'm gonna close it. Just like that. And this is the Ninja blender. I'm gonna put it upside down. You see those little things right there? Those white ones sticking out? Well, you're gonna put them right in the hole of the blender. And then you're gonna twist it towards the left. You heard that click? Well, that's to lock it up. So now, I'm gonna go ahead and start it. You gotta make sure all the ingredients are blend really well. Head and continue with the chicken to add mole to it. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add the mole. I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the chicken. And you just let it boil. And here's the mole. It is delicious though. It's real spicy. It's real good, but it's really hot, real spicy. If you don't want it spicy, you don't have to put no chile in it. Just regular. This shit is good. The taste, it's so good. In the mole. This is ready. This is what it looks like. And it's really good. Delicious. See you guys in the next video.